Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial I will show you how to lock and unlock objects in Adobe Illustrator. Here I have background button image that I don't want to select accidentally. To unlock it, go to Object, Lock, Selection. Or you can press Command 2 or Control 2 on Windows. Another way is find your selected object and Layers panel. Click on the invisible button near eye icon. To unlock all locked objects, go to Object, Lock, Unlock All, or press Shift Command or Control 2. Thank you and have a nice day.